Good afternoon, this is Mayor Valensky with Driving Markets. Driving while talking about markets, so let's kick off. We've got two things to talk about today: economic news, geopolitical. Economic news is that America's GDP 4.9%, economy is overheating, the Fed is likely to take further action and raising rates. That's sending markets south. In fact, the Dow, the S&P, the Nasdaq are all entering now bear territory. So all of the gains of the first 7 months of the year are now effectively being wiped off, and what you're going to have is a continuous bear market. So any bounce in the market, what you're going to do is an opportunity to sell into it. You're going to sell into the bounce. Bitcoin also jumped up on the back of a launch of an ETF. That jumped up to 36,000, likely to go higher now. That BlackRock and the ETF is going to be authorized by the SEC, so it's going to be a legitimate investment, and therefore it's streamlining that investment. It's going to open access to a lot of people who are skeptical on Bitcoin and crypto. So you've got that impacting markets as well. What you're always going to have is a rising oil price. I've been saying oil is going to go up from July when it was $72 a barrel up to $100, $110 a barrel. It's getting there, not there yet. Gold is shot up. Let's move on to the geopolitical. Geopolitical, quite simple. Hamas did the most horrendous, savage attack on Israel, slaughtering 1,400 innocent men, women and children, and taking more than 222 hostages. Israel has now attacked Hamas. There is going to be a war. You're going to see oil and gold go through the roof, and stock markets are going to continue falling. Another one you should look at is Meta, by the way. Just want to mention Meta is definitely a sell. It's going to go all the way down to around about the 242.50 level near term, because their results were good, but the forecast was terrible. Going back to Hamas, Israel is going to invade Gaza 100%. That's going to happen. The question is Hezbollah going to get involved, and is Iran going to get involved? And likely Iran is going to see Hamas be wiped out. So Iran probably will get involved by heating up Hezbollah, opening up another front. Then Israel will have Lebanon to deal with and have Gaza to deal with, and then we'll see the 5th Fleet and the 6th Fleet of America, the US Navy, get involved, and then you could have the Russians, the China. So the whole thing could end up to a regional war. Price of oil $150 a barrel, gold going to 2,100, Dow going all the way down to around about 29,000 in the next 3-4 months, and then 2024 you'll see the markets drop another 25%. This is Mayor Valensky with Driving Markets. Have a good day.